Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand. This machine is LG brand commercial type washer. I show you the model. Now I'm going to explain to you how to change the regular price. That means this machine already we selected for the coin operator system in UAE 10 dirhams. Now I'm going to show you how to change that regular price, and we will do that, and I will show you how to do that. Now this one is setup mode. Now I have to press hot button. After that it will come TEST. Now I'm going to press TEST. It will come. After that I have to press warm or cool. I'm pressing cool. I'm already setup mode. After pressing cool. Now after that I have to press start button. After that it will come R9PR. You can see. After that I have to press again start button. Now it's showing 10 dirhams. I'm selecting here 10 dirhams actually. Now I will, this one we can, now we can change whatever you need as your requirement. Now 9.9. Here whatever you can increase and decrease like that. Here again I selected 10 dirhams. Here in UAE I selected already again 10 dirhams. After that I have to press again I have to press start button. It will come R9CP. Now that's mean I already selected 10 dirhams. Now next step it will go automatically. Now no need to do anything. Now already set up regular price change already. If you need again you have to go same process to change this one. Again we can increase and decrease, see whatever, and again you have to press increasing decreasing. You have to press start post button. See I already changed the regular price. If you need again, now I make it again 0. If you need again you can, here you can change whatever your requirement, increasing and decreasing. Again you have to press start button. After that it will come R9 HP. Now already process already finished. It will go to the next step automatically. Now I think you know how to replace the change the regular price. This is the process. Now you know how to do that, this model, how to change the regular price. Now my job already completed. Now I already explained to you how to do that. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.